Life can be challenging. Build your own resilience plan. Life doesn't always go as planned. Setbacks happen.
People disappoint us. Health issues arise.
Goals take longer than expected. Whether it's personal, professional, emotional, or physical, challenges are part of the human experience. The key isn't to avoid them, it's to face them with strength, adaptability, and resilience. Resilience isn't about pretending everything's fine or never feeling pain. It's about navigating life's difficulties while maintaining your sense of purpose and well-being. The good news.
Resilience isn't something you're either born with or not. It's a skill you can build.
And one of the best ways to strengthen that skill is to create a personal resilience plan, a practical, personalized roadmap to help you cope, adapt, and thrive through life's ups and downs.
Here's how to build yours. What is resilience, really? At its core, resilience is your ability to bounce back from adversity, trauma, stress, or failure. But it's more than just recovery. Resilient people often grow stronger because of what they've been through. They learn, evolve, and find deeper meaning, even in tough times. Resilience includes emotional regulation, managing emotions; cognitive flexibility, seeing multiple solutions; mental toughness, persevering through discomfort; social connectedness, leaning on support systems; optimism, belief that things can get better; purpose, having meaning in life and goals to strive for. The beauty of resilience is that it's not a fixed trait. Like a muscle, it gets stronger with intentional use and care. Why you need a resilience plan. When a crisis hits or life throws you off course, it's hard to think clearly. Emotions run high. Panic or self-doubt can take over. A resilience plan helps you prepare ahead of time so that when the storm hits, you're not starting from zero. A personal resilience plan is a toolkit of coping strategies that work for you. A reminder of your strengths, values, and resources. A guide to help you recover and reorient more quickly. A proactive way to protect your mental and emotional health. It turns reactive chaos into purposeful action.
Step-by-step guide to building your resilience plan.
1. Know your triggers and stressors. Start by identifying what tends to throw you off balance. These might include loss or rejection, conflict with others, financial stress, health concerns, work or academic pressure, isolation or loneliness. Awareness is powerful. Once you recognize your patterns, you can prepare for them more effectively. 2. Identify your coping strategies. What has helped you in the past during hard times? What new strategies would you like to try? Healthy coping mechanisms include talking to a trusted friend or therapist, journaling your thoughts, practicing mindfulness or meditation, going for a walk or doing physical exercise, creating art or music, reading, prayer, or spiritual connection. Avoid unhealthy coping like excessive alcohol, overworking, or avoidance. List the methods that genuinely support your mental and emotional well-being. 3. Build your support network. Resilience doesn't mean going it alone. Connection is key. Ask yourself, who do I turn to when I need emotional support? Who are the people who inspire, uplift, and challenge me to grow? Do I have a mentor, coach, or counselor in my corner? List your support people and make a plan to stay connected, even when life is busy. 4. Clarify your purpose and core values. Resilient people are grounded in a sense of meaning. Knowing your why helps you stay centered during adversity. Ask yourself, what matters most to me? What values guide my actions, e.g., honesty, growth, compassion? What kind of person do I want to be during hard times? Your purpose doesn't have to be grand. It might be taking care of your kids, helping others, creating art, or learning something new. 5. Strengthen your daily habits. Resilience is built in the small, consistent choices you make every day. Consider habits that build your internal reserves. Getting quality sleep. Eating nutritious foods. Moving your body. Managing screen time. Practicing gratitude. Setting boundaries. Create a daily or weekly routine that supports your mental and physical energy. 6. Create a when things get hard action plan. Design a step-by-step strategy for when you're in crisis. Think of this like an emergency kit. Your plan might include warning signs, how you know you're nearing burnout or breakdown. Immediate actions, go for a walk, call a friend, drink water, pause social media. People to contact, therapist, mentor, best friend. Affirmations or reminders, I've survived hard things before, this is temporary. Keep it simple, visible, and accessible, like in your journal, phone notes, or a printed copy. Bonus. Practice mental flexibility. Resilience isn't about being tough or stoic, it's about adapting. Strengthen your mental flexibility by reframing negative thoughts. What else could this mean? Letting go of what you can't control. Focusing on solutions, not just problems. Practicing curiosity over judgment. When things don't go your way, your mindset matters. Cultivating flexibility helps you shift from stuck to empowered. Final thoughts. Resilience is a lifelong practice. Life's challenges are inevitable, but how we meet them is up to us. Building your own resilience plan isn't just about preparing for the worst. It's about creating a foundation for a more stable, meaningful, and empowered life. Remember, resilience isn't about bouncing back to who you were. It's about bouncing forward, wiser, stronger, and more connected to what truly matters. So take the time to build your plan. Make it yours. And revisit it often. Because while you can't control every storm, you can strengthen the way you weather it.